What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you best centralized exchange, and the reason why I'm saying best has a lot of meme coins, a lot of different kind of coins just in general, does not require KYC and no VPN for US users. So if you're in US and you're trying to trade some meme coins or you're trying to leverage trade or anything like that, would be the best one if you don't want to do KYC or use VPN. So this is their Twitter page. Let's go to their homepage. So this is their homepage, and they also have mobile app that actually amazing as well. You can do pretty much everything you can do here on a mobile device. So first thing you need to do, you'll have to go through registration process. Then once you log in, this is what you're gonna see. So right here there's many different options. We can take a look at their main page really quick. It's global crypto derivative exchange, and you can press on trade now. This is gonna take you to the features trading or leverage trading, and then just right here a bunch of new listing, trending cryptocurrencies, and then who's using. They're actually very proud because a lot of those are very influential people. And then you can build your cryptocurrency portfolio here. Why Bitunix, secure, seamless, insight and service. And then there's a bunch of other features. So what you need to do, just create an account, deposit funds, and start trading. That's all it takes. So let's scroll up. So let's go over this exchange really quick. So there's many tabs over here. We're gonna start with the buy crypto. If you go to buy crypto, let's say for example you don't have any cryptocurrency anywhere else and you don't want to connect or transfer money to it like from Coinbase or any other exchanges, what you can do, you can just purchase crypto here using MoonPay, CoinFi, Alchemy Pay, and Wallet. And right here you'll just use USD to buy USDT, and that's all you need to start trading or buying different cryptocurrencies on this exchange. And then next thing is market. So right here under market you're going to be able to see favorites, futures, and spot, and then in here you can just choose coin that you like to trade, and then you just press on trade and it's gonna take you to the trade. But let's take a look at next tab, futures, and this is basically the same thing. And then in futures right here you can choose and leverage trade almost any coin out there, or at least every coin that this exchange is offering. And if you just press on this little caret, you can search over here. As you can see, they also have many different meme coins and other major coins out here, and you can just search over here, and then you can open the long position or open short position. We're not going to be talking about a lot of that. We're going to actually focus more on spot exchange. But before I'm going to show you how to use spot exchange, we're just going to keep going. So that way we're kind of going to go over this platform, and this is going to be like a quick step-by-step guide. So spot exchange right here, and we're going to use this just in a minute. It's basically you can buy any cryptocurrency here using USDT, because all cryptocurrency that this exchange is offering is paired with USDT. So this is one of them that you're going to be using. Then copy trading, we're not going to focus on that a lot. There's a lot of people trading, and you can just copy them, or you can, from my understanding, you can kind of copy and kind of contribute to their pool or to their portfolio. There's just different things over here. And then campaign, you can do reward center or referrals, and I'm actually going to leave my referral link in the description below. And reward center, you just have to kind of like deposit, do some trades, and you'll get a little bit of money from this exchange. And then welcome bonus, same thing, complete registration, total deposit. And they also offer KYC if you want to be verified with them, but it's not required, and I already use this exchange. And then win BTC, they're running different campaigns, so you can register, and that way you can win Bitcoin. And then right here on this side you'll see wallet. So in a wallet you're going to see your total amount. So it's spot account, futures account, copy, order center, transaction history, and coupon center. So let's say for example you decide to withdraw or deposit. Let's say deposit, you just press on deposit, and it's going to show you exactly same menu that from here. And you can see your account overview here. It's going to show you which coins that you have and on which account, so spot. And then if we open up spot accounts, actually this is where it's going to show you which coins you have. I have some USDT and I have some Polygon tokens as well. And features, that's where you'll have to transfer actually funds from spot to features to start leverage trade. And then copy account, deposit, if you decide to deposit any tokens, you choose which chain or token you would like to do, and then select here and then select network. Let's say, for example, I just deposit Polygon, so type Polygon and then select network Polygon, and it's gonna give you the address. You just copy the address and you deposit token here. Same way withdraw. To withdraw, you have to set up email, mobile, or Google Authenticator. I set up mobile, and you can also set up later. And then in here, same thing. To withdraw, you just choose which token you would like to withdraw. And if you don't do KYC, the minimum amount you can withdraw in 24 hours, it's $10,000. So that's the drawback for not doing KYC. And then transaction history, and then coupon center. And then the last hamburger menu here, color mode, either daytime or nighttime, and then language, and then currency. So let's go back to Spot. In here, that's where we're going to be actually trading or buying different tokens. So let's say, for example, I have some Polygon tokens and I'm going to trade that or exchange that into USDT. So I'm going to type right here Polygon. I'm going to find it right here, choose that. And then if we scroll down over here, as you can see, available 32 Polygon tokens. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell it for USDT. And I already have some USDT in my account, but we're going to focus on selling. So in here, what you do, you just max out 100%, or you can do 25, 50, 75, or you can just type it in here. Either way, it's going to work. And then there's two different options. So right here, limit order. So let's say, for example, you want to wait until it's going to reach certain price, and then it's going to trigger the sell or buy order, or we can do market order. For this video tutorial, let's just do market order. That way it's going to execute that order immediately at the market price. So right here, we're going to sell some Polygon tokens. We're going to do 100%, so 32 tokens, and then sell. Once you press that, it's going to sell immediately, order placed, and it's sold token right away. As you can see, my available balance is $84. And then if we go back to wallet, right here, spot account, as you can see, I don't really have any more POL tokens or Polygon tokens, everything in USDT. So let's go back to spot account and let's use some of that money to buy some BNB. So let's search for BNB and USDT. And right here, this is the price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy some BNB tokens, and I'm going to do at the market price and for the amount of USD. So I'm just going to use like $14. This is what I'm going to use. And then I'm just going to press on BNB. That's it. Order is complete, order placed, and it's going to execute automatically because I've set to market order. And then if we go back to the wallet, spot account, as you can see right here, now I have two types of currencies. I have USD and I have BNB. And then let's say if you decide to withdraw your BNB tokens, you just go back to spot account and then you press on withdraw. It's going to take you here. And then we'll skip for right now. And then in here, you just choose BNB, and then you choose network, BEP20. This is the fees going to be, and the minimum amount to withdraw, it's 0.008. This is what I have available, and I'm just going to press on all. And that's it. The last thing I have to do is to enter the withdraw address. So let's say if you have a MetaMask wallet or something, you just copy and paste it over here, and then withdraw confirm. And most likely you'll have to confirm with the email. It's going to send you like a 6-number pin that you will have to reconfirm and verify, and that's it. And you just wait a little bit and it's going to appear in your account. And this is pretty much it. This was a very quick tutorial on how to use Bitunix, how to use spot exchange or trade on spot, sell and buy tokens on Bitunix. And I'm going to leave my referral link in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.